So, kapiling po natin live mula rito sa Tagaytay City Velodrome sina Karate Pilipinas President Ricky Lim and of course Mayor Brent Tolentino ng Tagaytay City. Unahin natin si Sir Ricky. Sir Ricky, this is the 6th edition of the Manuel Begillas Philippine International Open Karate Championship at dito ginanap sa world-class na bagong venue na Tagaytay City Velodrome na hindi lang pag-cycling events ang ikaratang dito. Well, of course, pati na rin karate events like for example, itong competition na rin. Kasi usually before, nasa MOA kayo lagi. Pero ngayon, it's a different kind of event at saka sobrang lamig naman yan. Ano masasabi niyo ba?
Of course, masyadong masayang-masaya tayo dahil tayong unang gumamit itong velodrome ng Tagaytay, no? Newly built and shinare sa atin ni Mayor Brent para magamit itong venue na to. So, masaya tayo dahil tayong nauna.
Sir, ilan pa mga participants ang dumalo? And of course, pag sinabing international event, this is actually dinubog ito ng iba't ibang mga international competitors and of course the national team members kanila. Yung kata, tinagal natin now, we have the cadets, juniors and seniors na komite. So, ilang participants na yun at ilang countries ang dumalo dito?
If I'm not mistaken, we have 1,200 plus athletes and then 9 countries in total.
And of course, prior to that, meron kayo 3 araw na training camp under the former Philippine head coach, si Coach OK Arpa.
Yes.
And pinadala din yung iba pa mga kasama niya. So, what's your assessment muna doon sa ating training camp na yun?
Well, the training camp was a complete success kasi we had 4 world champion coaches. Well, of course, we have Okay Arpa. We have Mr. Willie Thomas, a 2-time WKF world champion from England. We have Erman from Turkey. And then we have the current world champion, si Eray Samdan of Turkey, who recently won in the World Games in China. So, from China, he went straight here to teach in the training camp.
At of course, dito sa competition natin, this will serve also as a tune-up na rin for the karate team dahil marami tayong mga nakalinya competitions, SEA Games, World Championships, and so on and so forth.
Yes. Kasi nga, yung ibang mga countries na pumunta dito, for example, Australia, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia, mga national team nila to na nandito. So it's a tune-up game for our Philippine team as well.
With the hosting nga pala ng international championships natin, are we getting sure na of course ang karate is on a verge of the right track, ika nga, at marami tayong mga karatecas from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, even the national team ang sabihin natin nagpamalas ng magagandang performances dito?
Yes, of course, this is a training ground for them. Kailangan nilang matest kung gaano na sila kagaling o gaano pa sila kakulang over the months that they have trained. So, mga ganitong klaseng exposure that will malalaman nila kung nasaan na sila para kung kailangan pa nilang dagdagan, kung kulang pa ensayo nila, kung okay lang ang performance nila ngayon, they can improve some more. So, lahat matatest dito So, yun. Kaya kung kagandahan itong international championships natin, mag-gauge natin yung katayuan nila. Kung nag-improve ba sila o bumaba ang level nila o umangat ang level nila.
And lastly, ano ba mga aasahan natin sa Karate Pilipinas as we ended the last 4 months of the year?
Well, of course, we are preparing for the World Championships this coming November in Cairo, Egypt. And then at the same time, we are preparing for the SEA Games this coming December. So basically, yun yung pinaghahandaan ngayon. But we also have the championships this coming May 2026. The coming WKF World Youth League, which Manila will be hosting on May 14 to 17 in SM Mall of Asia Arena.
Okay, bigyan natin daan si Mayor Brent. Mayor Brent, your words of expression dito sa ating Karate Pilipinas National Championships. This is the first time that a non-cycling event will be hosted dito sa bagong bukas na World Velodrome. Actually, first time ko napuntahan itong Velodrome at sabihin natin, parang ito talaga yung papantay talaga sa mga magagandang sports facilities dito sa lugar ninyo. Ano masasabi niyo, Mayor Brent?
Not just any, it's the first event, period, that's happening here in the Velodrome. So, ito talaga yung unang event na sila po unang gumamit talaga. And as you can see, kayang-kaya naman eh. Diba? We can use this for almost any sport actually, no? Not just cycling, not just karate. And I hope in the future we can host more.
And open na ba yung mga facilities na tanggapin din yung mga cycling sports na rin? Considering nga, sabihin natin, yung mga pasilidad ninyo dyan sa Tagaytay, parang sabihin natin, world-class standard ika nga sa event. Well, it all thanks nga pala sa dad mo.
Yeah.
Of course, President Bambol Tolentino of the POC, na under his leadership as Tagaytay Mayor, mas marami mga venues na sports sa pinagtayuan, mas marami mga international things sa pwedeng pagdarusan dito. And of course, pinagpatuloy nyo yan under your leadership as the new mayor nga ng Tagaytay. So ano expectations nyo sa sports ninyo under your esteemed leadership nga bilang mayor?
I think we can still expand, no? We won't stop here. Marami pa tayong projects na matadagdag pa si sports. Like the combat sports. Right now, we have kickboxing, boxing, karate. Ang susunod po namin ata is taekwondo na pwede. We build our own taekwondo.
Ayan. So, abangan po natin yan at mukhang mas marami yata kayong mga nililitong plano coming up nga sa inyong pamumuno nga when it comes nga sa sports and pag-maintain ng healthy lifestyle and to accommodate more athletes na rin sa iba't ibang mga sports na rin.
Our goal
National
talaga
team.
is to be a sports hub. Tagaytay should be a sports hub.
Alright.
Given all the facilities, sana we get that, we get the name Tagaytay Sports Hub.
Alright, Mayor Brent, baka may gusto kayo pasalamatan.
I'd like to thank, of course, Karate President Richard Lim for choosing Tagaytay for this event. I hope that in the future we get to host more and expand talaga the sports here.
Thank you so much. It's a privilege na makasama ka namin, Mayor Brent, sa interview and we hope to see you there. Hindi dito ulit. Marami pa tayong beses na pupuntahan natin dito sa Tagaytay. Thank you so much. Sir Ricky, may closing remarks pa tayo.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gab, for dropping over. Alam ko, medyo malayo yung pinanggalingan mo, but thank you very much for coming over and covering our hosting. Thank you very much, Gab. We appreciate the effort.
Maraming salamat po and we'll see you at the next tournaments. God bless you.